So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of clock stretching not working on your latest iOS 26. Now there are multiple issues that are causing that issue. For example, if you have recently switched to iOS 26 from iOS 18, now if you are trying to stretching the clock on the previous wallpapers that you have already been using, it might not work. In order to do it, just simply hit add button and start by creating a new wallpaper, and then definitely you'll see this option of stretching the clock. For example, if I hit customize here, when I click on this option of clock, you'll see I can easily able to stretch the clock as per my convenience. And if it's still not works, make sure to select the font that is the first one. Only that particular font supports stretching the clock. All the other fonts still don't support stretching the clock. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.